Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another Spellbinders Club of the Month kit. That's a mouthful, so I have to this is the Stencil of the Month. It is a Plumeria spray. And I did go ahead and put some stuff together. I blended out the stencils. You'll see there's 4 stencils, and this is how it's gonna come together. Stay tuned.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do, wanna do. Your lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. Whoa, can I see you again, can I see you again sometime? You'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home? So we can talk about you and I, you and I. Or can you tell me what you wanna do? I'll do anything you ask me to, as long as I can spend the day with you, day with you. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. I just can't stop thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. Whoa, can I see you again, can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again, again sometime. Oh, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. Can I see you again, by your door, pick you up at 8. I said, whoa.
Okay, these are the 3 that I got the panels made from this Stencil of the Month kit. I'm just going to add some things to, like Kathy Zielinski says, zhuzh it up. We want to zhuzh it. Zhuzh it. Uh-oh. I'm dropping my zhuzhing. Okay, this matches. And we're just going to place them randomly. So that will complete that card. I just need to add my stamp on the back, and that one will be done. I just have this off to the side, like a bunch of random pieces of bling that I just reach for, because I want to use these up, because they're like 1s or 2s or 3s only. or small little pieces. So that's what I work with. So it's not necessarily Spellbinders, embellishments or anything. Although these ones are the crystal mix. And I like that. It has like opaque, I think that's what it would be called, and then like a see-through-ish one. Okay, so what can I use over here? Maybe we'll try some gold bling. These are sticking to each other. And I'm just putting them around the sentiment so it draws your eye over there. Okay, so that's that one. And then I only have bigger yellow, so I don't know, we're gonna do it. Okay, and that completes these 3 cards. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the process and that you guys have found some inspiration. And I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. See you over here.